Hello, in this short video, I want to talk about one of the features that you can set within Chocolatey GUI that can make it slightly easier to find packages that you want to install. So let's go ahead and open Chocolatey GUI here. And what we're going to talk about, the feature that we're going to talk about is one that's called Exclude Installed Packages. So what Chocolatey GUI is currently showing me is all the packages that I currently have installed on this machine. And one of the remote sources that I've got available here is an internal Nexus repository where I have a number of packages. So what we can see here, I'm pretty much getting the exact same list. So this green banner that's being shown here is showing me that each one of these packages is currently installed on this machine. But if there's a package that I wanted to install from that Nexus repository, then I kind of have to look through and find it to see which one's available to me. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, I obviously have the option of searching for a particular package, but it would be nice if I'd be able to exclude the packages that are already installed when I'm looking at a remote source. So that's exactly what this setting, which is exclude installed packages, is all about. Now, by default, that's disabled. I can go ahead and enable it here. So I'm going to go ahead and close Chocolatey GUI again. I'm going to reopen it. And I'm going to go through that exact same process. So by default, Chocolatey GUI shows me the installed packages on this PC source. But this time around, when I click on Chocolatey Internal, what I'm going to see is only the packages that I don't currently have installed. So it makes it a little bit quicker to find the packages that I might be interested in. Obviously, I've still got the option of searching the source to find a particular package, but it just helps narrow down to see what's available to me. Hopefully this is useful to you. Thank you very much.